Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a spotlight on Snapchat. So in here, I've already on the Snapchat apps, and as you guys can see here, I've already on my Snapchat camera. And to find the spotlight, you need to go to your profile. So let's just hit on your photo at the top left corner, this one, and you'll go to your Snapchat profile in here, and to find the spotlight you can just scroll down and there will be this spotlight and snap map option. So just tap on the spotlight that you want to delete, this one for example, and here tap on the three dots icon at the bottom, and there will be a delete option, the red one in here. So just hit on that. Now you can just click on delete again if you are sure, and just like that the spotlight will be deleted. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.